1, 2, 3 stella, 1, 2, 3 stella, 1, 2, 3 stella. We're recording? Yeah, we're recording. So, welcome back, fellas. Welcome back to Emmer Fisher Tech channel. Yeah, today I already uploaded one rant, unboxing rant. And what we do here is just another. Or I don't know if it will be a rant. It will depend on how this item is packaged. It will be all about that. Because as I showed you before in the previous video, I unboxed these components. That is always the camera. Okay, thank you. So I unboxed those items and they were packaged as, yeah, really, I don't want to be rude, but they're packaged like shit. I like to see things as they are, and they were packaged like shit. So, what do we got here? Here we got from this seller, Più Shopping SRL in Trani, Barletta. I purchased this, which is IphoneX spare screen, assembly mount, bezel, everything. And as you can see, it's packaged again in a damn bag. But I don't want to be immediately bad upon it, or I don't know what. Could be better packed than the package before. We will discover it now. This time we even don't have to pretend that the box is closed, because the box, in fact, is closed. Yeah, I know there's my image. So the package is closed. Let's unbox it. Let's see what we got. If it is better packaged or what. I hope so, because this screen costed 150, almost 160 euros shit. Yeah. It's not that much for an iPhone X screen, but hey, that's 150 euros still. Just I looked at, my eyes are different, in a different position. The hell. These are in a different position. So, let's open it. Take a look inside. There's another. What have I done wrong? Why? But I feel it. There's a box inside. That's quite better. So let's hope. So, as you can see, we got the usual box of tools, which I can say they're pretty crappy tools, especially the screwdrivers. I would advise you to buy a good screwdriver, because mostly the metal of those screwdrivers sucks. You use them, you can't use them even once. They're screwed up immediately. So yeah, their gift, they gift you, yeah, the spudgers are the spudgers, but the screwdriver and the, how to call it, I forget the name in English. The vacuum thing is good. I mean, that's the vacuum thing, as always. But those tools really, I don't know. That's it. The spudgers are usually pretty soft. Usually you can break them with the finger, but in this case, it seems that at least there's resistance to the finger. That's something. So let's put these shitty screwdrivers apart, and let's put the spudgers in their place. Just got a cute message. Happy. I will reply as long as I will finish this video, because now, guys, we are together doing together doing this. Yeah, there's I was saying that this is good, but there's already this disconnected, so the hell. So, as you can see, there's a bag, pretty standard bag. Stay cute messages. Kinda like it. Ah, sorry. I got distracted. So, live opening, live reactions, as you like, guys. I know that you like it. Hope that I will not be pissed off, because this is the most expensive spare screen which I ever bought. Maybe all together the screens which I bought, the spare screens which I bought all together, the iPhone, the blah, 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 whatever, maybe it will not make the amount of this screen. So let's see. Yeah, I'm Italian, I know. This box. Is maybe this box worth 150 euros? We will see. So let's see. AMOLED. Density, the dimension. Let's see what's written under. High brightness, sunlight readability, white color temperature, high color saturation, white gamut, I don't know what the hell is. Lower power consumption, 9H front glass, anti-dust and fingerprint oil, perfect. Touch sensitivity, original experience, perfect assembly, 1 year warranty. So, I should say, this box looks pretty good to me. I don't know what is written GX. I don't know what does it mean. Let's hope that all the money didn't went in the box. I mean, in the box itself. So, let's open it. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. That's sexy. That's really how 150 euros per screen looks like. Interesting, pretty juicy. I will let you give a nice look at it. Come on. Geez, the autofocus of this camera, it's something really stressing. Why it can't autofocus on this thing? Come on, dude, you can move it. If you don't do it, I will open and rip the shit out of you, you know. That's my work. Maybe like this. Could be better. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Ah. So, the focus is what it is. But if for a second it works, what the hell? Okay, I will make it by hand. So, looks kinda clean. Camera looks kinda clean to me. There's even written, I don't know if you can see it. Definitely not. GX3. This GX could be a brand. Oh, finally, camera. Thank you. You're starting worth in the 10-20 euros which I paid for you. And it's gone. Oh. I will open it. And I will rip the shit out of it because this focus, it's terrible. So, first things first. Yeah, you maybe at this time you will ask yourself why I drink in this funny manner, in this funny way, because I'm really sensible to heavy metals. And if I put the damn bottle upon my mouth, I will get a mouth like this, for being short. So, let's see this screen. Let's flip it gently. No way. So let's pull it. Yeah, I will force you out of focus, but you have to work. Version, everything. The fit, I don't know if you can see, it's not 100% perfect. I mean the alignment of the components, but the screen itself looks kind of good. Kind of good to me. Yeah, I was expecting some kind of bag which hold the thing, but I think that they spent all the money on the box. Warranty for function if seal. Warranty for function if seal is broken. Interesting. So I will have to test it before fitting it, as always. Sure. Screen itself looks kind of good. I mean, 150 euro are a lot for me. Tech. And yeah, the box is pretty nice. Just I'm sorry that they spent all the money on the box itself for not putting the screen in a bag. I'll let it be. So, final considerations. The package, the outer package, I mean the bags, were crappy as the bag before, but this box is pretty nice. I mean, seems to be good. Yeah, sure, maybe they could save some money, maybe removing this printing and putting into a plastic sleeve or a bag, something like the anti-static bag at least. But hey, we can't have everything, okay? We paid 150 euro. That for me seems a lot, but maybe not for everybody. So, we are 13 minutes now, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, FPS count, and nothing. I think now I will have dinner, and maybe later I will fix the home button of the OnePlus 3. We'll see. By the way, when I will upload it, I will upload it. So thank you for staying tuned on MR Fisher Tech, and see you soon. Bye.